Are you struggling to manage customer relationships? Tired of juggling tasks across multiple platforms? Meet Capsule, the ultimate CRM for small businesses. Trusted by over 40,000 customers since 2009, it empowers you to win more deals and boost productivity while delighting your clients. Stay organized with contact management. Everything you need is in one view for effortless communication. Tackle your daily tasks with ease. Capsule helps you prioritize, assign, and automate for maximum efficiency. Close deals faster with a clear sales pipeline. Gain insights at your fingertips and forecast with precision. Capsule stands out with no onboarding fees. Start using it right away, customize it to your needs, and experience rapid value. Join countless satisfied customers who've transformed their workflow. Don't wait, try Capsule for free today and watch your business thrive.